morning students. So in previous video classes we have completed that is a 1.6 and related that in the miscellaneous problems we are taking that is the same as 1.6 what we have discussed on that basis only, that is the number of elements on A union B, A intersection B, on that concept only we have that is a problem. In this problem what we have, in a survey of 600 students, so we are going to survey the 600 students in a school. 15 students were found to be taking tea, so that is 150, not it is a 15, 150 students were taking that were found to be taking that is a tea, and 225 students taking a coffee, and 100 students were taking both tea and coffee. How many students were taking neither tea nor coffee? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟೀನು ತೊಗೊಳೋದಿಲ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಏನ್ರಿ ಕಾಫಿನೂ ತೊಗೊಳೋದವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಅದಾರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ನೇಮ್ ದಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ let I consider that the students who takes the tea as a student, students who take the coffee or tea. I'll take first tea and let me take that is the students who take the coffee, take the coffee. A student who are taking that is a coffee, and the student who are taking the tea, who take the tea. So that they have given the number of students who takes the tea, that is equal to 150 students. Huh? So number of students who takes that is the tea is 150, and number of students who takes the coffee that is given, that is 225, and next another condition is given. So 100 were taking both tea and coffee, both together they will give, means what, number of n of A intersection B is that is 100 is given. So which is not given, that is n of A union B is not given, that we have to find. So then what about this sir 600, you may ask that. So I have given you trick. If the given group is a union or universal set, how to identify is that simple addition of this should exceed the given group. If it exceeds, then it is a union, otherwise it is a universal set. So that is not given. Why? Because 150 plus 2 375 we are getting, so it is not exceeding the 600. Then what is given means n of union, number of elements in universal set, so that is a 600. So we have a universal set they have given. So now what we have to find out means number of elements in A union B dash we have to find out. A union B dash. So it is that we have to find out. A and union B means that they will drink at least one of them. But here what they are asking, neither A nor coffee, neither tea nor coffee they are asking. For that sake, if you find out that any one of them, so A union B, it means what, any one of them. So they may take that is tea or a coffee. So if we find out A union B, automatically we get that is a union B complement. We know the formula for that. So first we find out the A union B. So we know the formula for finding the A union B. A union B ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? n of A ಅಂದ್ರೆ is given plus 225 is given minus 100 is given. So what is left here? So 375 minus 100 is equal to 275. 275. That we got n of A union B. A union B. So but actually we need neither A or nor B. It means that so n of A union B complement. Neither A nor B ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of elements neither A union B ಅದರ complement ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ they will not take neither tea nor coffee. So is equal to we know that n of u minus n of A union B complement ಅನ್ನೋದು. So sorry A union B. So n of A union B ಅಂದ್ರೆ 600 ರೀ minus n of A union B complete A union B ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ 225 minus 275 275 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 325 ಉಳಿದಲ್ರಿ. So that is 320. n of A union B complement is 325. So this completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. Similar kind of a problem we have that. So on the trigonometry, that is the 42nd one, in a group of students in a group of students, second one, in a group of students 100 students know Hindi know Hindi and 50 know English and 25 know both each of the students knows either Hindi or English. How many students are there in the group? So how many students are there in the group how many students are there in the group? So first we clarify that what they given in the data, that is given in the question. So first we clarify that in a group of students, so we have a one group in that, so 100 students know Hindi. What they have given, 100 students know the Hindi and 50 students know the English. 25 students know both, means Hindi and English. Each student knows either Hindi or English. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನ್ರಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಂದ್ರೆ how many students are there in the group. ಆ group ನೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ are? That is nothing but the union we have to find out. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎ is a set of students know the Hindi. Next, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ a student know the English. Student knows the English. So first, what they have given, we have to collect all the data and we have to write what they have to want to know by us. So what we have to find out that, so that we'll see. So first, number of that the students who know the Hindi is given, that 100 students we have. The number of students who know the English, that is given, that is B is equal to 50, and number of students who know both, that is A intersection B is given, that is 25. They have given the 25. Then what we have to find out? Number of A union B we have to find out. If you find this, so it's enough. So is equal to question mark. So we know the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. ಆಯ್ತು. N of A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? That is 100 plus N of B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? 50 minus 25. So 150 minus 25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 plus 50, 150, around 25 ತೆಗೀರಿ. So that we will get 125 is the answer. So this completes the problem. So in the group how many members are there? So that is 125 members are there. In the group how many students are there in the group? There are 125 students are there in the group. So therefore in the group there are 125 students are there. 125 students. 125. In the group there are 125 students. Or 125 students are there in the group also, we can say. So this completes the problem. Next we move to that is another problem. Third problem here. Third problem. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper each. 25 people read newspaper each. newspaper T, and 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read 11 read both H and T, 8 read both T and I, and 3 read all 3 new groups. 3 read all 3 newspapers. Find find find. So two questions are there. First I'll take the one, the number of peoples, people who read at least at least one of the newspaper, at least one of the newspaper papers, one of the newspaper one of the newspaper. What we have to find out? We have to find out that at least one of the newspaper, number of people who read, that is at least one of the newspaper. And second question is also there, we will discuss later. So first we'll bring that concept what they have given. First we'll understand and we'll take that, and later we'll find whatever the things we have to require to find. Let me see. So how many sets we are given? So that it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. So H and HIT, these are the newspaper they have given. So directly we consider that is N of H, number of people who read the newspaper H is 25 they have given. Number of people who read the I, that they have given 26, and the number of people who read, so that is the T, so is equal to, that is also 26 they have given like this. And also instead of this they have provided, so 9 read both H and I they have given. H intersection I they have given is equal to how many they have given? 9 they given. So number of, so people who read, that is both H and T is given. H intersection T is given, that is 11. Number of people who read, that is the both T and I, that is T intersection I is equal to 8. So this is the kind of thing that they have given. You ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, so ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 read 3 newspaper, number of students or a number of people who read all the 3 newspapers, that is H intersection I intersection, that is T, is equal to 3 members. Next, what they have find out, want to ask that is the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. So ಯಾವದರ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಟಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಐ, ಈ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಏನ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ at least one of this. This will give us at least one who read the all three newspapers. So this we have to find out, and we have already known the formula for this. N of H union T union I is equal to N of H plus N of T plus N of I minus N of H intersection T minus N of H intersection I minus N of H intersection, so T intersection I, plus N of H intersection I intersection T, I intersection T. So N of H andre ಎಷ್ಟೈತ್ರಿ 25 plus N of T andre 26 plus 26 minus H intersection T 11 minus H intersection I 9 minus 8 plus 3. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 26 plus 26 40 40 52 ರೀ, 57 57 77 77 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 2 4 6 60 60 72 72 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 20 28 minus 28 plus 3 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 3 plus 77 80 80 minus 28 that is 52 52 ಆಗೋದಲ್ರಿ 20 80 ಸೊ 28 ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50. So this completes the problem. So next we move to, that is another question we have in the same example, that number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So they have to read exactly one newspaper. So exactly one newspaper. So it means here we have to, so to find out the exactly one newspaper, so we have to use the Venn diagram. Without the Venn diagram we cannot solve this problem. Whenever we got, that is like this, ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper, exactly one newspaper, suppose we have a 3 newspaper, for example this, for this I'll call it as a H, and so we have another newspaper that which we call it as a I ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ that I will call it as an, so that is T, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ T ಅಂತಿದ್ರಿ. ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ exactly one ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so let me name that exactly who read, that is H, E ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ, exactly who read, that is I, that we call B, exactly who read only, that is a T newspaper, so I'll call C. So any H and T ಓದೋದು, only H and T, only H and T, that I call E, I call, and only H and I, that I call F, and only, so T and I, H I call E, of G I call it as a G, and this is who read all the 3 newspapers, that I will call it as an H. So but here what we have to calculate, that means, so that is the second question, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So ಈ B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನೈತಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಾರೆ, I ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇವ್ರೇನು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಬರೇ H ಪೇಪರ್, ಇವ್ರೇನು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಬರೇ T ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು 3 ಮಂದಿನೂ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಮಂದಿನೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. We have to find out A, B, C. If we add that, what we'll get the answer, that is called as the, so that is exactly who read at least exactly one newspaper, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper, it means. So let me find out that. So h is given, I is given, and t is given. We know that is number of h. So that is nothing but, so number of h is given 25, but here on the diagrammatical, so what it is a h, a plus f plus h plus c. So what is a plus f plus h plus e? So what they have given, that is nothing but a 25. So here we know the certain things. So what we know that, so h intersection, that is h intersection I, f plus h, f plus h is also known, f plus h intersection I. So what they have given, h intersection h and I, h and I how many, that is 9, h and I is 9. So we know that is, it implies that a plus e don't know that, a plus e is equal to 25 minus f plus h is given, that is 9. If you bring this on that side, so a plus e is equal to how much we got, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ 25 ದಾಗ 9 ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ 20 ದಾಗ 16 ಬಂತು. So that is 16 we got. Let me name it as a 1. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, so n of ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, n of I ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. n of I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, this is I, b g h f, b g, b plus g plus b plus g plus h plus f, ಹೌದ್ರಿ, is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತ್ರಿ, I ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಅದಾರ್ರಿ, that is 26, and this is also 26. So nodri, and here what we have, that is f in f and h, already they have given 9, and you can use g and h. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರೀ h ಇದ್ದುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, g and h ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ h ಪ್ಲಸ್ f ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನಾರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. h ಪ್ಲಸ್ f ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, so h plus f or g plus h, anything you can use, that is already we have written, that is f plus h. Put here b plus g is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು 26 minus 9, f plus h ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9. So 26 ದಾಗ 9 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 17 ಆಗೋದು. So let me a b plus g ರೀ, ಇದು 9 ಅಲ್ಲ, g it is, so that is 17, b plus g is equal to 17. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇಡ್ರಿ, g plus f ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 9 minus h, that is f is equal to h already ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ, that is given 3 h, 9 minus 3, h ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ್ರಿ, I'll write here, that is h is given, that is 3, h is given, 9 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗ g ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದ್ರಿ ನಾವು, g plus h, so that is g plus h, I intersection t, I and t ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 8 is equal to 8, g is equal to h ಆ ಕಡೆ 8 minus h, g is equal to 8 minus h ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ b ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ, b is equal to 17 minus 5, b is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, 17 ದೊಳಗ 5 ತೆಗೀರಿ, 17 ದೊಳಗ 5 ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12, b ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಹಂಗ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, e plus h ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ, e plus h ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ, h h is equal to, that is nothing but h intersection t. h and t, ಎಷ್ಟದ 11. h ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 3. e is equal to h minus 11, so sorry, h 11 minus 3. So that is equal to 11 ದಾಗ 3 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ರೀ. ಸೊ 8 ಉಳಿದೈತ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a is equal to 16 minus e. e ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8. 16 minus e ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 8 ಉಳಿತು. 8. b ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ 12, a 8. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಈಗ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ we have to find out c. c is equal to, ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ n ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. n ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಏನೈತಿ, ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ n ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಟಿ ಓದೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ 26. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 26 ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಸಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 26. ಇ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 26 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 8, ಎಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ 5. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 26 ಮೈನಸ್ 8 3 11 11 15 16 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 15, ಸಾರಿ 16. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಎ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8 ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ. ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ, ಜಿ 5, ಎಫ್ 6, 5 3 11 11 14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತ್ರಿ, ಆಯ್ 26ರಾಗ 14 ತೆಗೆದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ 10 ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ, ಎ 8 ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ನಮಗೇನು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ ಈಗ, ಅವ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ರೀಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who read exactly one newspaper is a plus b plus c. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8, ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 22 30, 12 plus 10 20 plus 30 people who read, that is exactly one newspaper. So this completes the problem.